Spring Harvest Day 5.
We're really tired. We're packed up.
We've already done this twice, but one of them Amanda got it halfway through, and the other one Amanda didn't record, so...
Basically, yeah. I'm not very good at technology anyway, and then make it day 5 of Spring Harvest early in the morning, and turns out I can't do it at all. We're just walking back to drop off the key.
I did try last night, but the office was closed. I tried this morning, the office was closed again, so now we have coffee.
Well, Emily has coffee.
Snacks, I have coffee and snacks. Amanda's not feeling well. So
Yeah, as my nan would say, I've got a dicky tummy.
Lovely.
So it was probably not a good idea to eat breakfast before a 4-hour drive. So,
We'll see how this goes.
Yeah. Bye.
Car in front has the flattest tyre and it's just started smoking. What are they doing?
Oh, just pray for protection of the cars around.
Yeah. Oh, I don't like it. So the car in front's tyre blew, and now Amanda is just checking our tyre pressure because an alarm went off about our tyre pressure after their tyre blew. So that's where we're at right now. Good times.
Tyre pressures are all good. The light is still on the car, but they're all as they should be. So I don't need to stress anymore.
Yay! So
This journey's going well.
we've just had a near miss. A truck was coming out of a junction, definitely didn't see us. Amanda thought they were stopping, they nearly just drove straight into the side of us, swerved into the other side of the road, and we missed our turning. So now we're just down some country lanes
In the middle of Farmers Field.
in the middle of farmers' fields.
2 hours 59 left of the journey.
It feels like we've been awake for days. It's going well.
We're just praying for protection for the rest of the journey.
Yeah.
So pray outside of time when you watch this.
Yes, please. Thanks. Bye.
We're home. We're sat in the car because it's raining.
And I don't want to go in the house.
And we're so tired. But we're home.
It's really peaceful in the car.
So maybe this is the end
Of everything.
of our vlogs for now.
Yeah. Did you want to talk about highlights?
Yeah. What's your highlight?
My highlights.
Or highlights?
I think my highlight was talking to people after the seminars who were inspired to go and set up a prayer room.
Yeah.
That was my highlight. The man who cried when
Yeah, he came to us. What was my highlight? I think just seeing people interact with the prayer spaces, and actually coming and going and coming back again. I quite enjoyed seeing some of the children come in as well, and just enjoy being able to be in the space and know that it's a safe place for them to be, and prayer isn't scary. And I think also being encouraged by different people. I quite enjoyed doing the seminars as well. Low light?
No, we're not doing the low lights. We'll do a debrief after. This is our highlight video.
Okay.
Can't end on a negative.
Well, there you go, guys. This is an insight into our relationship, how we communicate. I hope you've enjoyed. Bye.